Hey everyone, it's Carissa Wiley at sprinkledwithglitter.com. Thanks for joining me here in my craft room today. I am so glad you are here. I have some exciting news to share with you. Today is a big day for me. I've been working on a line of crafting products with Spellbinders since August of 2022, and the big release day is finally here. The new It's My Party collection is here, and it is perfect for all of your celebrations, birthdays, graduations, babies, bridal showers, retirement. Every celebration, you're gonna find something in this line. Now, I wanted to just come on here and give you a quick overview of the products so you can see these. And I'm gonna be introducing you to the kind of product suites one by one so that you can check it out and see what's right for you. The other thing I love is that Spellbinders is offering an It's My Party, I Want It All bundle. So if you want to grab the whole thing, you can actually put it all in your cart at one time and you save a little bit of money too. So it's a win-win situation. Now this line, as I mentioned, has everything you need to create for every celebration. And there are stamps, dies, stencils, and coordinating hot foil plates that I think you're gonna love. Now I've kind of designed these in product groupings, and so I'm gonna go through the product groupings one by one, show you the products up close, and then also give you some inspiration for using those products. So first up, I have the Party Balloons Bouquet Hot Foil and Coordinating Die Set, along with the Balloon Bouquet Designs Coordinating Stencil. Now this, I think, is so genius, and it came out even better than I could have expected. This whole line is built around the idea of those giant party balloons that are everywhere, those larger than life balloons, and we're really bringing it to life with the hot foil plates and the coordinating dies, and these are so versatile. So let's look at this Party Balloons Bouquet Hot Foil and Coordinating Die Set. Now, you'll notice on the packaging that this is actually shown at 90%. So the products themselves are actually much larger. And I'm gonna flip you over to the back side so that you can really see all of this. Now, these are all of your hot foil elements up here, and these are all the coordinating dies. So this is really built around a bouquet of larger than life balloons, but I wanted them to be versatile. And so the way that we made that happen was we've added in some extra elements. You'll see the bow and the leaf, a little ornament topper, and then of course we have a sentiment included in the hot foil grouping. And then below you will find all of the coordinating dies for these hot foil plates. You also have the balloon string and the coordinating die for that as well. Now, something I want to point out on this die set, and something that we designed into this, are these two little slit marks on the large outer outline die. Now, why would we do that? Well, that makes it really easy to hot foil and die cut out your balloon bouquet and then slip your little balloon string up underneath the balloon to make it look like it's all one piece. Now the coordinating stencil set is really where it's at for me, and I realize that this may be hard to see on camera, but there are so many designs included in the stencil set to really take these balloons from just balloons to other items. So they can be ornaments, they can be lollipops, they can be confetti balloons, they can even be a little grouping of cuties. We have some stripes in here, a little disco ball pattern, and then of course we have the glares. And then if you want to add some tasseled balloon strings onto your balloons, you can do that as well. Now I wanted to quickly share with you how this design works in the dies where it has the little slit cut out. So you can see I've hot foiled my Party Balloon Bouquet on some peach sorbet cardstock and added just a little bit of confetti to the bottom using the Party Balloon Bouquet design stencils. So I have that all die cut out, and you'll notice this little slit in the bottom of the balloons. That was intentionally designed so that you could take the balloon strings and just pop those up underneath the balloon so that it looks like it's all a part of one continuous foiled element. Now, if you are foiling all of this on white cardstock or on peach cardstock, it's of course going to give a more continuous design. But I wanted to do this in contrasting colors so that you could really see how this is designed to make this all look like one piece. But we wanted to do them separately so that you still have the option of using this balloon bouquet without the balloon stems and creating cherries, oranges, disco balls, ornaments, and more. So let's have a look at these products in action. Now here is a look at several projects that I've created using the Party Balloons Bouquet hot foil and coordinating die set. Keep in mind the hot foils and the dies all come in one, so it's perfect. But something I wanted to point out is that in the dies, we have included the die that cuts out the inner portion of this largest or most solid balloon in the Party Balloon Bouquet, and that makes it really easy to create shaker cards with these products. So you can see I've used it on the panel here to create a shaker card within the panel, but on a couple of these other cards, I've actually used the coordinating outline die along with that inner die to create a standalone shaker element. So this is another fun way to use it. You can either foil directly on your panel, or you can die cut it out and pop it up on a card front. And you'll see a couple of those examples in here. You'll also see examples where I've used the coordinating stencil to create various patterns. I love this one. I've used some silver holographic glitter paste in the center of this disco ball to really make it shine, along with the Spellbinders prism foil. And keep in mind that these balloons look absolutely gorgeous foiled on vellum, and this makes a great bridal shower or wedding card as well. Now the cuties have to be one of my favorites. I have foiled these onto some white cardstock, used the stencil to create some confetti on my cuties, and then I foiled the leaves onto some green cardstock and added a couple white blossoms to really make this a really cutie card. And then I've used some opal foil on the background with a confetti hot foil plate to just give it a little bit of shine, and I absolutely love the way this card turned out. Now you can also use multiple balloon bouquets on a single card to really give it a full balloon bouquet look, and that is a look at some inspiration featuring this Party Balloons Bouquet hot foil set, coordinating dies, and stencil. Now this was the very first piece in the line that I actually sketched out, and I knew that I wanted these balloons to be really versatile, and I think that you can see that they really are. They're not just balloons, they're cherries, they're cuties, they're disco balls, they're ornaments, they're whatever you want them to be. And with all of the extra additions that we've included in the die set, the little features that we've added, it really does help to make this set so versatile and something that you'll reach for over and over again. I can't wait to see where your imagination takes you with this set. Now the next product in this It's My Party collection is the It's My Party Glimmer Sentiments. Now when I was creating these sentiments and these sets and this product collection, I wanted it all to work together. So these particular sentiments are designed to fit inside of that large solid balloon in your Party Balloon Bouquet hot foil set. So this just takes and expands the possibilities of that set. We've included several sentiments here for so many occasions, along with the coordinating dies, and we've varied up the fonts to really make it appropriate for whatever occasion you're celebrating. So we've included the sentiments Eat Cake, Welcome Baby, Bride to Be, It's Party Time, Congrats, and Pop Clink Fizz. You can see that these are great size and sized perfectly to where you can place them into that large solid balloon in your Party Balloon Bouquet, or you can use them with other products throughout the collection. So they are a perfect size. I love that we have the coordinating dies so that you can hot foil them and die cut them and pop them up on your card, or you can use them to foil a sentiment directly onto your shaker elements and that acetate that you're using for your shaker windows. So now that we've had an up-close look at this hot foil set with the coordinating dies, let's go ahead and look at some inspiration featuring this product. Now, some of these cards you're seeing for the first time and some of them you're seeing again, but this is just an example of how you can use these It's My Party Glimmer Sentiments on all of your card projects featuring this product suite, and of course with other products as well. You can see I have just hot foiled and die cut the Pop Clink Fizz for this particular card. I've done the same thing on this little shaker card with the Eat Cake. And then, of course, I have this Welcome Baby on this sweet little shaped shaker card, which I think is so much fun. And then I have also used it hot foiled onto this shaker card. And I think it's so fun to take these party balloon bouquets and even the giant balloons and the party balloon garland and add a fun, different sentiment to really change up the occasion for these products. Now, I cannot wait to see how you mix and match these sentiments with other things in your stash. I think that's the beauty of it, and there is a sentiment for every occasion in this It's My Party Glimmer Sentiments set. Now, we couldn't do an It's My Party collection based around giant balloons without including one giant balloon, and that is what this hot foil and coordinating die set is all about. I wanted this to be larger than life, and it absolutely is. Now, we've included some of the same features that we included in the Party Balloon Bouquet set in this giant balloon so that it makes it very versatile. And keep in mind, you can use other elements from the Party Balloon Bouquet hot foil elements with this giant balloon as well and change up the look. Now, keep in mind, this packaging shows these products at 75%. So to get an idea of how big this giant balloon really is, we need to flip it over. So you can see I have my hot foil elements here along with my coordinating dies, and we've included some of the same elements in this die and hot foil set that we've included in the Party Balloon Bouquet. So some of the features, like this little notch that cuts out with the outer edge of the balloon, so that you can slide your balloon string right up into that die cut. Now we have a gorgeous happy birthday sentiment, your nice big giant balloon along with the balloon string, and we have outer and inner dies for that balloon to make shakers very easily. And then we have the outline of the sentiment as well so that you can use it in various different ways. So let's have a look at some inspiration using this giant balloon hot foil and coordinating die set. Now here is a look at several projects that I've created featuring this giant party balloon hot foil and coordinating die set. You can see I have several shakers here, but I also have an example of just using the balloon on its own, not as a shaker card at all. Now, it was important to me that this giant party balloon be giant. I wanted it to take up a lot of real estate on an A2 size card. And the benefit of that is that it also looks great on a 5x7 card. It also is big enough to hold its own as a shaped card or a cute little shaker tag for a gift package, which I think is so much fun. And you can see I've used the giant party balloon along with that happy birthday sentiment, but I've also mixed in some sentiments from the It's My Party Glimmer Sentiments set as well. Now this one might be one of my favorites, and it's kind of hard to see on camera, but the background of this balloon actually has some confetti opal foiling in it so that it adds another element of dimension to this. Now for this card, I've actually combined that giant party balloon with the party balloon bouquet on the background to give it a really full balloon bouquet effect. I think this is so much fun, and I absolutely love that sentiment hot foiled on the shaker window. Now, because I've been talking about a 5x7 card, but I don't have an example here, I just wanted to show you how great this looks on a 5x7 size card as well. It just is such the perfect element. It's a perfect size for either your 5x7 or A2 size cards, or to make a shaped card or a shaker tag. So there's a look at the giant party balloon hot foil and coordinating die set from the It's My Party collection. I hope you enjoy creating with this. It makes such a big, bold, celebratory statement, and I can't wait to see how you use it. Now the final product suite in this It's My Party collection is the Party Balloon Garland stamp set along with the Balloon Garland and Sentiments stencil. So these products work well on their own or together to create an adorable party balloon garland. I think balloon garlands are so much fun, and there's a lot that you can really do with this stamp set and coordinating stencil set. So here you have your party balloon garland here, and this was really designed to kind of fill up the front of an A2 size card, but you could also rotate it to create a complete kind of arch that goes around the entire card. So you can either use it on its own by just stamping it once, or you can stamp it once and then rotate it 180 degrees to create a full card background with a nice little window in the center. Now we've also included some fun sentiments for celebrations and parties and birthdays with this stamp set. But what really makes this stamp set come to life is the coordinating stencil set. And this stencil set includes 4 stencils that will allow you to easily color in all of these balloons, so you don't have to be a master colorist. You'll get a 4-color palette, or you can use less than 4 colors, but you're also getting some extra sentiments in this stencil set as well, which I think is so much fun. So let's have a look at some inspiration using this Party Balloon Garland stamp set and the Balloon Garland and Sentiments stencil set. Now for many of these examples, I've just stamped the Party Balloon Garland stamp set just one time on the left edge of my card front. These are all A2 size cards to create a fun party balloon garland, but you can see that if you rotate it 180 degrees, you can also fill in the entire front of an A2 size card. This one I absolutely love. I've heat embossed that party balloon garland on some vellum, and I actually used the coordinating stencils to add color to the balloons. Yes, you can ink blend on vellum. And so I've gone ahead and fussy cut that out and then popped it up over the top of this oval, which is from the Essential Oval set from Spellbinders. I wanted there to be a set that's kind of coordinated easily with, and I've used that same oval set to create my window on this card and my window for the shaker card here. You can see that I've mixed and matched products throughout the It's My Party collection to create these fun celebration cards. And I've even used that Party Balloon Garland stamp set in the background here just to add a little bit of texture behind this giant balloon so you can see it at the top and bottom. So I've just rotated the stamp and used it horizontally across the top and bottom of this card to create a different look. But keep in mind, this could be like bubbles for an undersea card. So much fun to think of all the ways that you can use it. Bubbles for champagne, like this card inspired here. But this card, I wanted to point out that I actually used the stencil set on its own without the coordinating stamp set to create a really fun no line coloring effect. Now this party balloon garland is so much fun to play with, to rotate it and try it in new ways and use it as different things beyond just a balloon garland. And I love to take this and add a little bit of white gel pen into these balloons to give it a little bit of glare. I know that you guys are all going to come up with great ways that are going to blow my mind for using this Party Balloon Garland stamp set. And I did want to make sure that I included something in this collection that you can use if you are not on the hot foil train yet. And so this is it. So there is a look at the brand new It's My Party collection designed by me along with Spellbinders. I hope you love it, and I cannot wait to see what you all create with it. I will have links to all these products in the description below. Keep in mind that this release will go live on June 10th on the Spellbinders site, and you can also get it at independent retailers as well. Be sure that if you create with this line that you use the hashtag It's My Party Collection and tag me at Carissa Wiley on social media so that I can see and share what you guys are creating with my It's My Party collection. And it's my party, so let's celebrate today.